Cooledge FABRICated Luminaires are simple to install and utilize standard industry tools and mounting methods. The suspended versions of fabricated luminaires are available in a range of sizes, from nominal 4 foot by 4 foot or 1200 by 1200 millimeters to 6 foot by 9 foot or 1800 by 2700 millimeters. Product technical information is available on our website at cooledgelighting.com, including a detailed installation manual. During the installation procedure, you will need gloves, cable cutters, measuring tape, a level, a 4mm hex key, and 4 sawhorses. Use appropriate personal protective equipment to ensure safety at work. Here are the important components of the fabricated luminaire. The mounting assembly includes a suspension cable, a cable gripper, and a hanger bracket. Power components are located on the power and control tray with a control module and a power supply. And finally, optional trim pieces for a clean finish. Unpack the luminaire and, handling only on the edges, place it face down on the sawhorses at the corners, leaving the protective plastic attached. Attach the power and control tray to the stiffeners and ensure the T-nuts are aligned correctly for tightening. Refer to the Cooledge Lighting Control Module user guide available on our website to set up the control module. Now, make the electrical connection from the luminaire to the control module on the tray. The power control tray type will vary depending on your region, luminaire size, and control protocol. For more details, please consult the documentation on our website. Measure between the suspension points or refer to Table 1 on page 17 of the installation guide document. Next, locate the suspension cables and attach them to the ceiling anchor points at the required positions. Locate the grippers provided and use them to attach the cables to the hanger brackets on the luminaire. Raise the luminaire, alternating from side to side until it is at the desired mounting height. At this point, level the luminaire. Now it's time to remove the protective plastic wrapping. Next, ensuring that you wear gloves to prevent marks on the fabric, attach the trim pieces to each side of the luminaire. Once the sides are in place, attach the corner cover pieces. Now connect the AC power to the power supply. Electrical power connections should always be made by a qualified electrician. Once secured, apply power to the luminaire. Your Cooledge FABRICated Luminaire is now ready to deliver immersive illumination to your space.